1998, number 88. So we have the value of f at a given point. They want to know the value of f at 9. And then f of x is the antiderivative of this thing. What does that mean? So that means that the integral of ln of x cubed over x dx is f of x. All right? So hopefully that makes sense to you. So you have to kind of process this and kind of figure out what it's saying. I will say it another way. So suppose we'll call this g of x. Okay? F of x is antiderivative of g of x. So we will say g of x, integral of g of x dx is f of x. Or another way we could say this is that the derivative of f is g of x. Because if something is the antiderivative, let me get a different color here. If something is an antiderivative, well, you take the derivative of it, so the derivative of this will be this. So the derivative of f will be our g here. Okay, so all this to say, this is a fundamental theorem of calculus problem. Okay, so you have the value at one point. You want the value of another. If you can get the change of f, you get the answer. So f of 9 equals, we have the starting value of f plus you want the change of f from 1 to 9. So you know the value of f at 1, and if you can figure out how much it changes from 1 to 9, that gives you the value at 9. So you'd have to integrate f prime of x dx to get the change in f. Well, f of 1, they tell us, we already know that that is 0. And so we have to integrate from 1 to 9 f prime, which is g, which is our ln of x cubed over x dx. So I'm just going to put this in the calculator. And I've already put that function in the calculator. So now I just have to integrate that from 1 to 9. So I do math 9 from 1 to 9 of my function. And I get 5.827, approximately 5.827, which will give us C.